Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We warmly welcome you to Silver Health Tips, where we provide you with information on various aspects of health. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can make your skin glowing and beautiful at home. If your skin is patchy, dry, or looks tired, there is no need to worry. Today, we will share with you some natural methods that will bring a new glow to your skin, and these are entirely natural ways that will help make your skin soft and radiant. First, let's talk about why we should turn to natural ingredients to restore skin glow. There are many expensive creams and products available in the market, but they often contain chemicals that can be harmful to our skin. Therefore, we are going to tell you about natural methods that are not only safe for your skin but also make it naturally glowing and healthy. Honey and warm water mask. Let's begin with our first tip, which is made from honey and warm water. Honey is a natural moisturizer that provides moisture to the skin and revives its glow. When used with warm water, it makes your skin clean and soft. Take a spoonful of honey and mix it in a cup of warm water. Apply this mixture to your face, leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash off with lukewarm water. This will bring a natural glow to your skin. Rice flour and milk. Rice flour is an excellent natural scrub that removes dead skin cells and promotes the growth of new skin. The lactic acid in milk is beneficial for cleansing the skin. You can mix rice flour and milk to make a paste and gently apply it to your face. After leaving it on for 5-10 minutes, massage gently and then rinse with water. This scrub will cleanse and brighten your skin. Banana and yogurt mask. Bananas are natural moisturizers and yogurt soothes the skin. When combined, they form a perfect mask that makes your skin soft and radiant. Take a ripe banana, mash it, and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply this mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, wash it off with water. Using this mask will give your skin a beautiful glow, and your face will look fresh. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is considered a magical ingredient for the skin. It helps restore skin moisture and enhances its glow. You can extract aloe vera gel from its leaves and apply it to your face. Aloe vera's properties include cooling the skin, removing dryness, and softening the skin. Moreover, aloe vera contains natural ingredients that rejuvenate your skin cells. Leave the aloe vera gel on overnight and wash your face in the morning. This will refresh and brighten your skin. Lemon and honey mask. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is beneficial for the skin. Lemon juice helps cleanse the skin by removing excess oil, while honey softens the skin. Mix a spoon of honey with a few drops of lemon juice and apply the mixture to your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off. This mask will cleanse your skin and also enhance its glow. Oatmeal and yogurt mask. Oatmeal is an excellent natural ingredient for making the skin soft and glowing. The components of oatmeal help cleanse the skin and increase its softness. The presence of yogurt enhances the effect of oatmeal. You can mix oatmeal and yogurt to make a mask, apply it to your face, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that removes dryness and increases the glow of your skin. Gently apply coconut oil to your face and leave it overnight. It will make your skin soft and glowing. Tomato juice. The natural antioxidants in tomatoes are beneficial for cleansing and glowing the skin. You can apply tomato juice to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off. This will enhance the glow and freshness of your skin. Cucumber. Cucumber is a great ingredient for the skin that removes dryness and retains moisture. It cools the skin and increases its glow. You can cut cucumber into slices and place them on your face, or extract cucumber juice and apply it to your skin. Drinking plenty of water. All these natural remedies will help make your skin radiant, but the most important thing of all is drinking plenty of water. It is essential to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day for healthy skin. Water hydrates the skin and helps remove toxins, making your skin clean and glowing. Conclusion: by adopting these natural remedies, you can improve the condition of your skin and increase its glow. These methods will not only enhance the beauty of your skin but will also boost your confidence. We hope you enjoyed this video and will incorporate these remedies into your daily routine. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, Silver Health Tips, share this video with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.